Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E7i Power, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings. Now choose Connected Devices, click on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them though by clicking on this gear icon next to the device and choosing Forget. Then confirm your choice by tapping on Forget Device in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!